Hello friends, I am Kunu Naik. Welcomes to my YouTube channel Ken Classes. So friends, this is a video about teaching aptitude question practice for UGC NET paper 1. This video is also helpful for different TET exams like OTT, CTT and those are preparing for B.Ed entrance and other DLED entrance. So friends, I'll cover more than 100 questions by making video one by one. So let's start from question number 1. Question number 1. This question is about characteristics of teaching. Read the question properly. Which of the following set of statement reflects the basic characteristics of teaching? So friends, whenever you see this coding type of question, always use deletion method. How? See, the option number 1, first step of deletion method is to find out the wrong statement. See, option I, teaching is same as training. It's wrong. Teaching is not like the same as training. So here comes to the option. अभी जहाँ पे भी आई ऑप्शन है, आई कोड को डिलीट करना है. देखिए ए में आई है तो इसको डिलीट कर दे, ये आंसर नहीं हो सकता है और डी भी नहीं होगा. देन सी ऑप्शन हियर डबल आई, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड कंडीशनिंग व्हेन यू टीच. ये भी गलत है क्योंकि इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड कंडीशनिंग वो दोनों अलग अलग चीज़ है. तो डिलीट कर दीजिए डबल आई को. सी में डबल आई है, वो सी भी डिलीट हो गया. तो इसका सही आंसर क्या जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी. सी, यस, आंसर बी. बी विल बी राइट आंसर. बी में क्या क्या है हम देख लेंगे. थर्ड आई जैसे कि टीचिंग इज रिलेटेड टू लर्निंग. यस, राइट. Then IV, teaching is a task word while learning is achievement. Teaching is task and learning is achievement to achieve something. ये भी right हो गया. Then option VI, one may teach without learning taking place. Although this is a negative statement, but it's right. Now comes to question number 2. Which of the following factors affect teaching? So friends, here again we will use deletion method. Option I, the teacher's internal focus of control. Yes, this is right. And second option, learner's motivation. ये भी right because always learner's motivation helps in teaching learning process. तो ये दोनों ऑप्शन राइट देकर हम डिलीट कर देंगे सी एंड डी, इसमें आई का ऑप्शन नहीं है. देन टीचर्स बायोग्राफिकल डाटा, दिस इज रॉन्ग वन बिकॉज बायोग्राफिकल टीचर का बायोग्राफिकल डाटा, देर इज नो रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन बायोग्राफिकल डाटा एंड टीचर्स टीचिंग इन द क्लासरूम. सो थर्ड आई बी में है तो ये भी डिलीट हो जाएगा. तो ऑप्शन ए विल बी द राइट आंसर. सी, यस, ऑप्शन ए. देन थर्ड वन इज which combination of methods of teaching is likely to optimize learning? The option number A, lecturing, discussion and seminar method. So friends, see, lecture method is a very traditional method and there is a less opportunity to optimize learning. So जहाँ पे भी लेक्चरिंग है, लेक्चर मेथड का ऑप्शन है, वो आंसर नहीं होगा. जैसे कि ऑप्शन डी एंड ऑप्शन सी, इसमें है प्लान लेक्चर. तो सही आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी. सी, इंटरेक्टिव लेक्चर सेक्शन फॉलोड बाय वॉच सेक्शन and brainstorming and project. Both section is a small group discussion. See, yes, answer will be C. Then comes to question number 4. The purpose of formative evaluation is to, what is the purpose of major main purpose of formative evaluation? Formative evaluation is this is a evaluation which conducted during the teaching learning process. So it is not to grade students learning outcomes. This is wrong. Then checks for performance ग्राफ नहीं, ऑप्शन सी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, तो ऑप्शन बी will be the right answer. The main purpose of formative evaluation is to accelerate students learning process. See, option B is the right answer. Then next come to question number 5. Which of the following learners characteristics are likely to influence the effectiveness of teaching aids and evaluation system to ensure positive results? So see the option. Option A, learner's family background, age and habitation. The friends, learner's family background, social economic background and social background, personal interest, these are not the learner's characteristics that likely to influence the effectiveness of teaching aids and evaluation. So here the answer will be option D. Then question number 6. A teacher in a classroom has immediate control over option A, the self-selected methods of communication and the message. Option B, the audience, the noise and the reception. Here noise के ऊपर टीचर का कोई भी कंट्रोल नहीं है, ऑडियंस के ऊपर भी नहीं है. तो थर्ड, द फीडबैक, द टेक्नोलॉजी, द ऑडियंस एक्सपीरियंसेस. फीडबैक पे ऊपर भी कंट्रोल नहीं, इसमें भी कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है टीचर्स का. फोर्थ वन, द कम्युनिकेशन चैनल, अदर कम्युनिकेटर्स एंड एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स. इसमें भी टीचर्स का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. तो इसका सही आंसर here option A will be the right answer. Yes. Then now comes to question number 7. In which teaching method learners participation is made optimal and proactive? Optimal means most effective use of, and which makes proactive. So इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा discussion method. Then question number 8. This is a assertion reason question. So friends, how to solve this type of question? First, check whether both the statements are right or wrong. Then, if both the statements are right, then use because after the assertion statement. Here the assertion statement is formative evaluation tends to accelerate the pace of learning. Yes, this is right, because as already I have told that formative evaluation tends to accelerate the pace of learning. Then comes to reason statement, that as against summative evaluation, formative evaluation is highly reliable. No, we cannot say that for as against summative evaluation, formative evaluation is more or highly reliable. This is a wrong one. So the answer will be option C. A is true and R is false. See the answer is answer C. Then question number 9. Which of the following set of statement represent acceptable proposition in respect to teaching learning relationship? So in respect to teaching learning relationship, which of these options are right? We have to find out. To see option of first I, When students fail in a test, it is the teachers who fail. Yes, it is absolutely right, because if students fail, it is only because of the teacher's failure. Then see, ये ऑप्शन में आ जाए, जहीं जहीं पे भी ऑप्शन आई नहीं है उसको डिलीट कर दीजिए. जैसे कि सी डिलीट हो गया एंड ऑप्शन ए डिलीट, अब बचा है बी एंड डी. देन प्रोसीड. ऑप्शन डबल आई, एवरी टीचिंग मस्ट एम एट इंश्योरिंग लर्निंग. ये भी सही है, राइट. Then third I, there can be teaching without learning taking place. I have already told that although this is a negative type of statement, but it is right. So check here, I, double I and triple I is here and not in option. Triple I is not in the option D, so delete this one. So here right answer is option B. Yes, the right answer is option B. Then question number 10. This is the last one. Assertion: learning is a lifelong process. See, check whether the statement is right or wrong. As you know, learning is a lifelong process because it continues from the birth to the death. This is the right one. Then the second statement is the reason: learning to be useful must be linked with life process. This statement is also right, but this statement is not the correct explanation of first statement. So here the answer is option B. Both the statement are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So answer is B. This is all about the 10 most important teaching aptitude question for NET paper 1. And the friends, as I know, in my way, the question practice is best technique for paper 1 preparation for UGC NET. एंड अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो, बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग. थैंक यू. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.